Estimating square roots. We've talked about when it's a perfect square, so the square root of 25 is equal to 5 because of 5 times 5. Or same with 36, the square root of 36 is 6 because of 6 times 6. But what happens when it's not a perfect square? When it's, let's say for example, the square root of 30. It's somewhere in between the square root of 25 and the square root of 36. We can use estimation as one of our methods to solve it. So I'm going to put the two square roots that I know are on either side of the square root of 30 onto our number line. So we have the square root of 36 here, and I know its value is worth 6, and the square root of 25, and its value is 5. Now I need to find out what's in the middle of both the top and bottom of our number line. So what's in between 5 and 6? Think of your ruler. Halfway between 5 and 6 is 5.5. Well, what's halfway between 25 and 36? So I'm looking for the number under the root here. And there's a long and short way, and we'll show the long way first so we understand why the short way works. In other words, we're going to prove that the short way is the right way. So I have to find how far apart it is to get, or how many steps or how far apart it is to get from 25 all the way to 36. So I'm going to take the difference. So 36 subtract 25 is 11. And if I want to find a halfway point, I know that's division, so I'm going to divide by 2. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5, which is the same number as our halfway point of our simplified solutions. So then, once you get used to this method, once you find the halfway point of the bottom of your number line, we know that we can take this value and the sum of that value. So 25 plus 5.5 gives us 30.5. Now I know that this square root, our original question, the square root of 30, is going to be below the middle. Not a lot this time, just slightly, but it'll give me a more accurate estimation of whether I'm going to be closer to the root of 36 or the root of 25. So in this case, I'm going to say I'm just about here. We're estimating, so again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So the square root of 30 is approximately, and this little swivel is our approximately 5.4. And that is our answer to estimating square roots.